afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo at Parkway RV Center. Guys, again, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And yes, that title's not lying, guys. We're going to review a 2007 Maserati Quattroporte. Guys, a very, very nice car we just got in. I know this is not for everybody, guys, but this is a beautiful 9,850 mile 2007 Quattroporte. And this thing is just beautiful condition, guys. It is not a car that you see hit the market every day, especially not for under $20,000. Georgia and Tennessee car since new. Spotless Carfax. And you talk about a blast to drive. I mean, something about an Italian sports car, guys. It's just hard to describe, really, until you drive one. I know this is a 2007, guys, but man, you know, brand new, this is a $120,000 car in 07 prices. Imagine what it is in 2023. 5th generation. I love the long hood on this car. I love that beautiful front end, the color. I mean, wow. For those of you not familiar, Maserati, of course, Italian sports car brand. The motor in this was a collaboration. It's a 4.2 V8 with a very impressive 400 horsepower. And it is actually a collaboration between Maserati and Ferrari. So you can imagine the torque and horsepower and power this thing has. I mean, 9,850 miles. Now, I am going to be placing this car on eBay, which is probably where it's going to sell at. Because where are you going to find another one with this low of miles? The interior is absolutely beautiful, never smoked in. Got both key fobs with it. It is a rear-wheel drive, so it drives very comfortably. Yes, we're going to drive it later on in the video. I did bring my chest mount, so we are going to test drive it. It's got the dual select transmission, so it is an automatic, and you got the paddle shifters as well, because keep in mind this is an 07, so that was top of the line in 07. Very, very comfortable heated seats. 8-way power seats. Memory, of course. Rear-wheel drive. This thing drives great. Best way to describe it, guys, it rides like a Lincoln and takes off like a Corvette. Sunroof. Full-size back seat. We cut that radio down. I meant to do that earlier. Sorry about that. Got the Bose stereo system from the factory. Nothing's been modified. Everything's original. I mean, incredible car. Incredible machine. And guys, don't get me wrong, I love domestic automobiles, but we just don't build anything like this. And I'm 300 plus pounds, and I can get in this car very, very easily. 9,873 miles to be exact. I gotta admit, I drove it about 20 miles today, so I've been having fun with it. I mean, just so cool. So many just little features, guys. Power's glove box. Heat and air is great. It does have the radio sounds great, like I said, Bose stereo. It does have navigation, but it takes a disc. I do have a complete set of the original CDs for the navigation. It is missing one, and unfortunately that's the one for our area, the southeastern United States. That's the only disc it's missing, but it's got all the rest of them. Windshield's perfect, Maserati windshield. I mean, sunroof is perfect, cover's perfect. Sorry about that, guys. Had a little coughing fit. If you ever wanted a beautiful Italian luxury car, I mean, this is way different than a Mercedes or a BMW. This is kind of the next step up. This is it, guys. I mean, this thing is incredible machine for under 20 grand. I mean, you're not gonna find another deal like this anywhere. It's way under. You can look this thing up, Kelly Blue Book, NADA, wherever you want to look it up. Under 10,000 miles, no accident history. Can't beat it, guys. Rear climate control, and I'll show you under the hood. I'll show you under the trunk, or in the trunk. It's got a cover that goes with it. And you can see the original carpets, the seats, everything looks just like a 10,000 mile car is supposed to look like. Automatic headlights. Beautiful black color. Just had it detailed, just had a brand new battery put in it. That battery was $400 something. Look at the back seat, doesn't look like it's ever been set in. Like I said, Bose stereo, that sounds awesome. It's got the power sunshades on the rear windows. Well, at least power on the back window. The side windows are manual. Well, get the idea. Sorry, it's a little hard to do this with one-handed sometimes. The doors just shut perfectly. Backup sensors. Trunk looks great. Got a cover, it looks brand new. There's all your books, manuals, CDs for the navigation system. Clean car, guys. No signs of any damage. Got a spotless Carfax. And I'll be happy to send on request to anybody that's interested. Tires look great. Beautiful wheels. Man. And I gotta admit, this is actually the first one of these cars that I've ever really had a chance to drive or look in, or even get a chance to really, you know, learn much about. And guys, I'm impressed. This is a whole totally different car than, say, a Toyota Camry or a Ford Taurus or something like that. So, not the easiest car to open the hood on. Sorry about that, guys. Not something most Maserati owners never open the hood of their car, because it's beautiful under the hood too, at least to me. I'm gonna pause the video for a second and get this hood open. Hang on one second. Guys, I apologize about that. Somebody who knows these Maseratis a lot better than I do probably knows the trick, because that hood, it's takes somebody with long skinny fingers with no rings or jewelry on to open that hood. Man, all the stickers are on here, so right there tells me it's never been in an accident. From what I've been researching, you can't get those stickers if you ever have an accident in one of these, and they have to replace that part. 4.2 V8, 32 valve, 400 horsepower. Oh yeah. It is a blast to drive. And you talk about smooth, very smooth, very quiet to have that kind of ponies under the hood. 6-speed, automatic or paddle shift, dual select transmission. And you've got multiple sport, you can put in sport or regular mode. Yeah, I'm impressed, guys. Look how beautiful that thing is. Incredible. It is a four-door, it's a true four-door Italian sports car. I've got it for $19,900 while it lasts, and I'm going to put it on eBay, which is where I've sold the last couple of cars I've had. And, yeah. If you're interested in this car, give us a call at 706-965-7929. May consider some trades. Unfortunately, I don't have financing set up for a car like this. I can recommend a company called Lightstream. You can go to their website, fill out an application online, and get a loan for a car like this with them. But you've got to have really impeccable credit, or you can go to your own bank or credit union if you need a loan. Most people that buy a car like this are cash buyers anyway. But I like to throw that out there. Beautiful car. And I know, guys, I know I'm an RV channel, I get it, but I love cars too, and I think it's really cool that I'm able to start filming some of these cars. I've actually been contacted by quite a few people since I did that Nova video, that Nova convertible video, and I may be doing some more cars and classic cars, and some, I'm not going to do just run-of-the-mill plain chain stuff, but you might see some more classic cars and some really nice select vehicles like this on my channel. Not all the time, but just every once in a while. Because I really enjoy doing them. I get to drive these cars, and really cool. This is our car. This is one that we're selling at the dealership. So $19,900 while it lasts. Haggle-free firm plus applicable sales tax. That's it, guys. We have no fees, no upsells, no dock fees, none of that junk. Just a nice clean car, sold as is, of course, but being an 07, but it's got 9,800 and 83 miles. And like I said, I got the Carfax and the title to back it all up, clean title and clear. So hang tight, guys. I'm going to get my chest mount GoPro on. We're going to try to drive this car with that GoPro on and see what it looks like. And I will see you in just a second from behind the wheel. So hang tight and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button. Feel free to comment, give me a thumbs up. Hang tight, see you in just a second. All right, everybody, let's try this out. First time I've used a chest mount on my new GoPro. So I'm hoping you can hear me and see everything okay. I'm doing this one-handed, or doing this, you know, hands-free, so I don't have to worry about, you know, breaking the law or anything like that. So let me know in the comments if you prefer this view or somebody riding with me and holding a camera. Because I know I can't really pan around. You're just kind of getting a, I guess, more of a like a virtual reality view. But car is fun to drive. And I'm not really going to get on it on this back road right here, but we are going to take it up the interstate and see what it can do and all that, getting on the interstate and all that good stuff. So I just can't get over how well this car rides. I mean, this rear wheel drive just drives and rides incredibly well. The seats are very, very comfortable, very plush, almost too plush. Brakes feel great. You know, notice there's no shaking in the steering wheel from rotors needing to be turned or anything like that. And you get that a lot in cars with very low miles like this that is set. Let's get across a four-way stop here. And the car is so quick and nimble for a big car, because this is technically a full-size car, I guess. Actually coming up by the lot here on our left, or the side entrance anyway. And of course now I don't have any radio on, and I've got the air conditioner down really quiet, so we'll take her up the hill here. I'm gonna get on just a little bit. Oh yeah, this ain't no motorhome, that's for dang sure. Oh yeah. Yeah, I get used to this. I think it was 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds is what the specifications say. Now, I'm using this in automatic mode. You can, it does have the paddle shifters on each side of the wheel. If you want to put it on manual mode, it's just for demonstration purposes. I'm just going to run it on automatic. But now this thing would be a blast on manual mode, because this is a pretty high revving. It red lines at 7,500 RPM. That is way on up there for a V8. 7,500 RPM. That's way on up there. But oh yeah. And guys, you know, I'm not a fast driver by nature. Believe me, I haven't had a speeding ticket or any ticket since I was 19 years old, and I'm 44 right now. So it gives you any idea what kind of driver I am. Oh yeah. Son, this thing will honk right here. Woo. Yeah, I'm backing off of it. Guys, she looks like a family car, but it will get you in trouble quick. Woo. Yeah, And you do have the redundant audio controls on the steering wheel. I've got the radio turned down right now, but it works. You can change the station and all that too. But I'll turn it down because I don't want you to copyright strike. Guys, if you're wanting a fun car that's not going to break the bank and an exotic car, you need to check this Maserati out. $19,900 while it lasts. And I promise you, you're not going to find a more fun car for under 20 grand anywhere else. And this is something that you're not going to pass 20 of going to work every day or wherever you're going to drive it to. And I mean, this thing's probably considered a collector's car with the miles that are on it. In fact, you don't see that many of these for sale with any miles on it to begin with. This is not a mass-produced car like a Ford or a Toyota or something like that. I mean, this is strictly it is a luxury car, even if it is an 07. But anyway, guys, thanks for riding along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the video comes out okay. Hit that subscribe button if you like my channel. And thanks again for watching. Smash a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share on social media. If you've got interest in this car at all, I do suggest calling 706-965-7929. I'm going to post it on eBay as well. I will put a link to the eBay auction on the description below, and I will do a bid auction, but guys, it takes $19,900 to buy it. Try to find one cheaper with the same miles in this nice of condition. This is a lot of car for under 20 grand, and it's plus applicable sales tax. Again, guys, financing, go to your own bank or credit union, or I do recommend going to a website called Lightstream. You know, for stuff like this that you can get a loan for. They do like a personal loan for vehicle purchases, and they got a real good rate, long-term stuff like that. Or go to your bank or credit union is the number one thing I recommend. And we do take some trades, but it just depends on what it is. I'm not big on just like regular run-of-the-mill stuff. If we take something in on trade, it's got to be something different like this, or maybe an RV or a camper, or not really into boats or motorcycles this time of year, unless it's, you know, I might take a bass boat or a pontoon boat or something like that, and if it's really nice. Definitely no projects of any kind. So if you've got something to trade, just call us and let us know what it is. 706-965-7929. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being a subscriber. Hey, we have a lot of fun together, don't we? Hey, where else can you have this much fun and see so many different things on my channel? It doesn't cost you a thing to hit that subscribe button. But thanks again, guys, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.